Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to take your old Game Boy lens here that's probably all busted like mine is, got scratches. This is a Game Boy Pocket lens and change it out for a new one that are pretty cheap that you can get on eBay and don't have scratches on them. Okay, so basically all you're going to need is a new lens that costs about $3, an X-Acto knife, and of course a Game Boy Pocket. And then basically what you're going to do is just, if I can adjust this camera here. So you're just going to take the X-Acto knife and slide it along the side and just kind of lift it up if you can.
Back here.
My wife's playing with my dog. Try not to cut the edge of the Game Boy. Almost got it. There we go. And then just slide it through. Don't go too deep or you might possibly hit your screen there, which would be terrible. And there we go. Now the lens is gone. And just check it out. Make sure everything's looking okay. Screen still looks like it's fine. If there's extra junk then on the sides, then you can take it off, but it doesn't look like mine really has anything on it. So the next thing you do is you just take this lens and flip it over and peel this protective tape off. And then what you're going to want to do is line it up really nice by just kind of pushing it down there and just putting it in place. And now you've got a nice new screen that does not have any scratches on it, and it's also got a little plastic protective piece on the outside to keep it clean of scratches, which you can peel off if you want to, but I'm going to leave it on for now. Anyway, that's how you do it. Pretty simple and very cheap to fix.